Ever since the early 90s, Dr. Dre has dominated the airwaves of gangster rap and hip-hop. So why the change to producing headphones? Beats me. Can you guess what today's product is? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. So, what product are we reviewing today? It's the Beets by Dr. Dre Studio Buds. Everyone loves to sit down and binge their favorite TV show, movie, or YouTuber at full volume. The only problem? Not everyone has the same taste in entertainment. And some soundproofing solutions, well, they're kind of frowned upon. Fortunately, there are ways you can keep peace and quiet without getting child services involved. The Beets Studio Buds are the latest release in a long line of super popular headphones and audio equipment from Beets. Straight out of the box, you'll find the charging case that contains the earbuds, as well as different size silicone tips and a charging cable. Connecting to your smart devices is super simple. Just by opening the charging case, you'll send out a pair request to any nearby Bluetooth-enabled device for easy pairing. Precision engineering inside the Studio Buds allows for outstanding stereo separation, as well as a robust EQ chosen by the very best audio engineers in the industry. Advanced digital processing enhances both sound clarity and noise cancellation. Dual beam microphones target the voice of the wearer during phone calls, removing background noise and chatter. When fully charged, the Studio Buds get around 8 hours continuous playtime before needing to be recharged. To recharge, simply place the earbuds back into their charging case. They'll magnetically click into place and start charging. You can get 2 full charges from a fully charged charging case before needing to plug it in via the supplied USB-C cable. Normally it takes about an hour to fully recharge the earbuds, but using fast field technology, a 5-minute charge can give you an emergency hour of battery life. So, what do we like about the Beets Studio Buds? Apart from being a symbol of affluence, style, and tech enthusiasm, the Beets Studio Buds only really have one box they need to tick, and that's the sound quality. Thankfully, unlike the first few versions of Beets by Dre headphones, these Studio Buds sound great. The soft silicone body means that wearing them is super comfortable, and it's easy to forget you're wearing them at all. The long battery life and portable charging means you're much less likely to be stranded with dead earphones when you're out and about. So, what's the downside? While they may look good and sound great, you are definitely paying extra for the brand name. At this price point, there are way higher quality earbuds on the market. They just don't have the marketing budget of Dr. Dre and Apple. So, what's the verdict? The new Beets Studio Buds by Dre look and sound the part, but owning them may just break the bank. We give them a rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. Maybe that score goes up on Black Friday, but for now, 3.5 is what it is. And the new Beets Studio Buds could be yours. We'll be giving them away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules, as they always are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.